You know what's wild? Booking.com just announced it's cutting up to 900 jobs despite pulling in about $6 billion in profit. Why? Oh, you know, the usual efficiency, agility, and cue the dramatic whisper, AI. But here's the plot twist. While big platforms are replacing people with code, the smartest hotels are doing the exact opposite and winning. They're using tech support humans and not replacing them. They're automating the boring stuff so that their team can focus on what actually matters, recognizing guests, creating surprise moments, and building loyalty with, wait for it, feelings. Because let's be honest, AI might win on efficiency, but it's emotions in hospitality especially that converts. So while Booking.com is hitting Control-Alt-Layoff, the brands that are winning are staying human as they possibly can. Want to own your guest relationships? Let's talk direct bookings, real strategy, and tech that disappears behind the magic. In this article, that's what we're getting into.